What you're gonna do is, we're gonna walk in there, you're gonna see some red arrows. You're gonna walk into the big studio. You'll see a blue chair, you sit in the other blue chair, okay?
Okay.
You must be Sara.
I am. Nice to meet you.
I'm Mike. Nice to meet you.
How are you?
I'm great. I'm great. So tell me, Sara, what do you do?
I'm an emergency department nurse. I work at Indian River. I've been there 2.5 years.
Wow. You know, what drove you to want to get into nursing as a profession?
So I've always loved medicine. I've always been drawn to it. I knew that's what I wanted to do, but I never knew exactly where I wanted to go with it. My dad's been an emergency room nurse for a long time.
Yep.
And he actually worked at Indian River. So he's worked with a lot of the same nurses that I
Yep.
work with, which is really cool.
The challenges of being a nurse in that environment must be huge, so.
It is. It can be stressful at times.
But you like action.
I do. I think I was born to be in the ER.
What do you find the toughest challenges in your day-to-day work?
The volume of patients, the hospital just isn't as equipped enough for as many patients as we see on a day-to-day basis. It's tough.
Yeah, well, we're grateful to you, because I know those are hard jobs, the nursing jobs in particular, and you so count on that person to be there. My wife went out at 10 o'clock at night to take the dog out, and the dog got spooked. She got tangled up in the leash. She face planted in the street.
Oh no.
And off I went to take her to the emergency room. Fortunately, she fractured her eye socket, but it's all healed and everything's fine.
Oh, good.
But it was also clear that there were a lot of needs in the emergency area. Some of the facilities in particular were a little tired. And it's so important because for so many people, that's their primary care too.
Absolutely.
And so we felt this is a real opportunity to give back to an institution that's really important in Indian River County. We've got a collective group of us that are looking to make a significant impact on the emergency room, so it's exciting.
That is very exciting. We're just so overwhelmed with the amount of people that we see. We're very grateful because that gives us the opportunity to take better care of our patients. Sometimes we don't even realize how much of an impact that we have on people.
I can see how important a role you all play, and so we're grateful for that, so thank you.
Thank you.
No, thank you.